Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can download the Hulu TV episodes or shows. So if you want to download Hulu TV episodes, you need to upgrade your package. So for example, if I go to my top right corner and go to account, and if, as you can see, I have the Hulu base plan. If I go to manage plan, so this is my current plan. This is the basic plan of Hulu, but this is a second plan with no ads. If I go to plan details, so on this plan details, as you can see, there are this is an option to download from thousands of titles of to watch offline and save your data. So this is the plan where you can download the episodes and watch them online. So if I show you from this plan, on my current plan, as you can see, the Hulu does not allow downloads on the base plan. So when you get this plan, then you will be able to download the Hulu episodes on your smartphones and on your smart TV. So once you have upgraded the plan, you will be able to see this download option on the screen. This will appear on the episodes or on the content that is downloadable. You can find your downloads on this tab right here in the middle of the screen. If you go to downloads, you are going to find all of your downloaded content. So this is how you can download your Hulu content and Hulu episodes. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.